really cannot wrap my head around the fact it's taken me this long to finally realize I'm fantastic. I used to write my little raps, they'd always look right past it, like it's average.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Cutie back in the house. Welcome back to my channel. So, if you're new here, hello, how you doing? It's your girl Cutie. I do fashion reviews on handbags, on clothing, on shoes, accessories, etc. Whatever I do on my channel. So let's get started with this video. Outfit of the day, vintage top from 1950s to 1960s. Bought from a thrift store. Thrifting video coming soon. To join giveaway, guidelines will be in the description of this video. Hey you guys! So today we will be unboxing the white leather women's Rhyton glitter Gucci sneaker. It came with the bag, the shopping bag. And let me get the shoes. It's a repurchased item from another owner. Sold for less than the retail price, which is $1,100 in US dollars. So we will be guessing if this is real or just a replica. This video is not promoting replicas. We are here to observe or check the difference from an authentic source to know all the flaws of the replica, to let others be informed before purchasing a reselling item from its owner or seller if this item is authentic. So here she is. The white leather women's Rhyton glitter Gucci sneaker. That's a really long name. The packaging seems good, but some items, when you buy from a store, some are not in a dust bag. So here are pictures to prove that on the Gucci website of this sneaker, which one is authentic. So we will have to look at every detail. So here it is on the site. It's a women's Rhyton glitter Gucci sneaker. It's $1,100. This is the side. And this is what you're gonna see when you're wearing it in the insole. And here we go. The bottom. Let's check the interior. Its insole. It says Gucci, made in Italy. And it has Gucci also on the front. It also has the name of the brand Gucci on both sides of the shoes on its heels. As you can see that clearly. Which that one can be a flaw because I did not see it on the website of Gucci. So if I go to the store and checked it out, I will see if this is really authenticated or not. So onwards to the second pair. It is also colorful, have glitters with its font lettering. They sparkle a little bit. On the website, they look a bit ivory of color, and this one too, it's like more lighter. This one is more lighter. I can see it. So I'll test it out. So this is basically my first time trying these on, and it fits right. I think I tied it wrong. I did change it because so I can fit in it. These are a 42, and this is the whole white leather woman's Rhyton glitter Gucci sneaker. You can see the details. Please check the details. It was worn, so yes. So there is a bit of the stain. Here we go. Last look. Please comment down below if you think this is authenticated or not. And if you want to join the giveaway, please check the description down below of this video. That's all, folks. Thank you. Come again.